Hi everyone, today we're going to be reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Let's read to find out what the story is about. Okay. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. There he is in his lair, in his cave. This story reminds me of when we read Bear Hunt, when they found the bear in the cave in that story. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crip crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. I think he's trying to escape. It's so cold out there. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. And look, he has his own little fire to keep him warm and dry. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Wow, this bear is a very, very heavy sleeper. Two glowing eyes with sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, fun. They're making popcorn like on the fire and some nice hot tea to warm them up. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Now there are 3 animals in the cave other than the bear. And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters Wen, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. How many animals are in there now? I'm gonna count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 animals have joined the bear in his cave, and he has no idea. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, roar. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, look what's going on. He woke up from his really big sleep, and the bear wakes up. Bear hurls and snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, he is not too happy. What do the animals do? What do you notice? They're running for their lives to get out of there. You snuck in my lair and you've had all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's so sad that he missed out on the fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with the delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on because he got so much sleep. So does anyone know what was he doing? So it looked like he was taking a really, really big rest. Does anyone, I'm wondering, do you know what that's called? What bears do when it gets cold, when wintertime comes around? When they go and they collect lots of food and they bring it up into their cave and then they go to sleep for a really long time? If you said hibernate, if they're hibernating, you're right. It's called hibernation. So he got all his food and he went up and he stays in his cave during winter and sleeps a lot and eats the food that he collected. And he's up there normally. They don't leave for all of winter. Isn't that so cool? I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye, everyone.